Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today's project might look a little bit familiar if you were here for our last one, but it turned out so incredibly beautiful I just had to try it again in a different color. So last time we had a green Christmas tree theme and this time we're going to go with the red poinsettias. For our red color today we're going to be mixing a little bit of this Merlot Sparkle with this red mica, and they're both from Brambleberry. Our white color is going to be this Winter White by Nurture Soap. And then to top off our project, we're going to be using a little bit of this gold bust. I had a little bit of this left over from our last project. It's just that gold bust mixed with some oil. I saved it because I made quite a bit more than I needed, and since it's just oil and mica powder, I figured it would keep pretty well, and I would say it has. It definitely looks the same as it did last time. And then here I have measured out our red color and our white. I'm just going to be pouring a little bit of our oils into these cups, and that'll just help us disperse our mica powders evenly. Now that all of our colors look really well mixed together, I'm going to go grab my lye water and add it to my oils. To mix together my lye water and my oil, I'm using this whisk. A lot of people will use a stick blender, and you are more than welcome to with yours. I just really like using the whisk because it keeps our batter a lot more fluid and it gives us more time to work with it. You just have to be careful to make sure that you mix this to emulsification. For our project today, we're going to be using this slab mold from Nurture Soaps. It's a pretty good size. It usually makes me about 8 bars. Our scent of the day is Star Showers by Nurture Soap. It's a delicious scent. I don't quite know how to describe it, but it's definitely good for guys and girls. If you haven't tried this one yet, I definitely suggest it. And they sell these really nice little 1 fluid ounce bottles. They're pretty cheap, and it's a good way to try a lot of their different scents. Now that our batter is all ready, I'm going to fill our little red cup as high as I can. Then I'm going to dump all of our white into our big bowl. Next, we're just going to be pouring our red color down the side of the bowl. Alright, I got most of it in there, but I'm saving just a little bit because we had extra for our last batch and it was really cool drizzled on top. That looks so good. I honestly almost wish we could leave it like this, but we have so much more stuff to add, we just can't stop here. So next I'm going to bring out my gold sparkle and I'm just going to start drizzling it all over. Right, then I'm going to take what we have left of this red and just kind of drizzle it on top. Those last little drops are so light. I love how they separate from each other. All right, our soap is looking incredible. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little toothpick and try and make a swirly design. Last time I just kind of went where I felt and it turned out pretty okay. So I think we're gonna be doing the same thing, just little zigzags all over the place, just making sure that every spot gets hit. So this is our soap. It's looking really good. These are the embeds I've prepared for us today. I made them ahead of time using cold process soap, and then I painted them with a mixture of alcohol and mica powder. All right, I have a little bit of a game plan for us. I laid these out just to get an idea of how many I had and how many I was gonna do. So we're gonna be doing 4 across from one corner to the other, and then we'll be filling in between with 3, 2, then 1. So now I'm just gonna let this sit overnight and then we'll come back to cut out our bars. So this is our final bar once I've popped it out of the mold. We got a little bit of soda ash, so our colors aren't quite as bright as I would like, but overall, I'm absolutely in love with this design. I think this looks so beautiful, and those gold rivers look magnificent. Our final bars are all a little bit different size because I didn't really want to cut our flowers. This project turned out amazing. I could not be happier with this design. And I mean, we knew that from last time. That's why I'm doing it again. But seriously, if you make soap, you should definitely give it a try. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more videos just like this. Bye.